Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a page in Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace account and access your site editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Pages to open your site's page structure. Then, look for the plus icon, usually next to Main Navigation or Not Linked, and click it. This action will prompt you to choose a page type, like a blank page or a pre-designed layout. Once you've selected your page type, you'll be taken to the page editor. Here, you can start building your page by adding content sections. Click the Add Section button, which typically appears when you hover over the page area. Squarespace offers a wide array of pre-built sections and individual content blocks. You can easily drag and drop elements like text, images, videos, or forms to populate your page. Now that your content is in place, it's time to customize the design. Hover over any section and click the Edit Section button to modify its background, colors, and fonts. You can also adjust padding and spacing to ensure a clean, balanced layout. Squarespace provides robust styling options to match your brand. Always preview your page on desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure it looks great on all screen sizes. Before publishing, optimize your page for search engines. Go to Page Settings and fill in your page title, URL slug, and a concise SEO description. This helps search engines understand your content. Decide whether to publish your page immediately or save it as a draft for later. Remember to check the description below for a fantastic deal on the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other helpful resources. Publishing your page makes it live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.